Welcome back to Forest Flux. Get ready to witness the jaw-dropping destructive power of the world's most insane industrial shredders. These steel beasts don't just crush metal, wood, and plastic. They can devour an entire car in the blink of an eye. The Cranbo 5000 Shredder. The Cranbo 5000 is engineered with precision, combining robust mechanical strength with a finely tuned cutting system to shred and process roots with remarkable efficiency. Built with a heavy-duty frame and industrial-grade components, it delivers exceptional durability, maximum throughput, and consistent performance, even under the toughest conditions. Imagine a machine so powerful it can shred up to 25 tons of tires per hour, each one obliterated with relentless precision and unstoppable force. Meet the Tan Shark, a monster designed to chew through anything rubber. Passenger car tires with rims? Gone in seconds. Heavy-duty truck tires without rims? No match at all. Butter smooth power. The Oracle 95DK is more than just a shredder, it's an engineering marvel. Driven by a 770 horsepower diesel engine, its twin shafts rip through scrap metal and even engine blocks with remarkable precision. An optimized torque drive system minimizes energy loss, ensuring maximum efficiency and consistent crushing force. Polished text. On one of New York's most complex demolition projects, the Indeco ISS 45/90 stands out for its precision and durability. Tasked with slicing through the massive steel framework of the old Kosciuszko Bridge, it delivers controlled, efficient performance where failure simply isn't an option. Heat. Intense heat. Every cut channels and dissipates that energy with engineering perfection.
Vermeer BC2100 XL Power in action.
Watch the Vermeer BC 2100 XL wood chipper, armed with a massive 205.1 kilowatts Cummins engine, take on tough eucalyptus trees like a true warrior. In this video, it chews through thick branches and whole trunks with effortless precision, turning even the hardest timber into clean wood chips in seconds. Feel the raw strength of industrial engineering as this professional-grade chipper proves why it's built for the toughest forestry jobs. The Aroma Dual Auger metal shredder represents the very peak of modern industrial engineering. Each precision-built auger delivers an astonishing 520 lb/ in superscript 2 of torque, allowing it to crush and process gallon steel drums with exceptional efficiency and smoothness. Powerful and quiet e-waste shredding. Meet the UNH RS40, a 4-shaft shredder built to set the benchmark for electronic waste recycling. Driven by a 44 kilowatts high-torque motor, it doesn't just promise power, it delivers. Thanks to its direct drive system, vibrations and noise are dramatically reduced, creating a smoother, quieter, and more efficient shredding experience. Whether it's old circuit boards, cables, or bulky e-scrap, the RS40 handles it with precision and reliability. Friendly rewrite. These heavy-duty shredders rip through metal scrap like unstoppable beasts, turning old waste into fresh, reusable material. This isn't just ordinary shredding, it's a full-on recycling revolution, giving discarded metal a brand new life.